Imagine yourself in this 2012 Buick Enclave. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.